Hey there, my name is David. In this video, I am going to show you the 7 best dividend stocks that will help you to build a solid retirement portfolio. You know, dividend stocks are a great way to secure your financial future and provide you with consistent income for years to come. So if you are looking for stable, reliable investments, stay tuned and I will reveal top 7 picks. So let's get started. Number 1. Johnson & Johnson. Johnson & Johnson is one of the world's largest healthcare companies. It is a dividend stock, meaning that it pays out regular dividends to shareholders. The company has a strong history of dividend growth, and it is one of the few stocks that has increased its dividend for 50 consecutive years. Johnson & Johnson is a large and diversified company with business in pharmaceuticals, medical devices, and consumer health products. As a result, it is relatively insulated from economic downturns. For these reasons, Johnson & Johnson is often considered to be a safe investment, and it is one of the most popular stocks on the stock market. Number 2. Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is one of the world's most recognizable brands and one of the most popular dividend stocks on the market. The company has a long history of dividend payments, and its stock has been a favorite among investors for many years. Coca-Cola is a dividend aristocrat, meaning it has increased its dividend payments for at least 25 consecutive years. The company is also a dividend king, having increased its dividend payments for at least 50 consecutive years. Coca-Cola's dividend yield is currently about 3%, which is higher than the average dividend yield for stocks in the S&P 500 index. For these reasons, Coca-Cola is an attractive option for dividend investors. Number 3. PepsiCo. PepsiCo is a dividend stock that has been a leader in the stock market for many years. The company has a strong history of dividend payments and has consistently increased its dividend payout over time. PepsiCo is also a leader in the food and beverage industry, with a portfolio of well-known brands including Pepsi, Gatorade, Quaker, and Lay's. The company has a diverse product range and is one of the largest food and beverage companies in the world. For these reasons, PepsiCo is an attractive choice for dividend investors looking for stability and growth potential. Number 4. Procter Gamble. Procter Gamble P&G is an American consumer goods corporation with a diverse array of products that includes everything from detergent and shampoo to pet food and prescription drugs. The company has been in business for over 180 years and is one of the world's dividend stocks in the stock market. P&G has a long history of dividend growth and is one of the world's largest consumers of advertising. The company is a Dow Jones Industrial Average component and is also one of the 30 stocks that make up the Standard & Poor's 500 index. P&G is a popular choice for dividend investors due to its strong dividend growth, stable earnings, and large size. Number 5. General Electric. General Electric GE is a dividend stock that has been a part of the Dow Jones Industrial Average DJIA for over 100 years. GE is involved in a variety of business, including energy, transportation, healthcare, and finance. The company has been through a lot of ups and downs over the years, but it has always been a solid performer in the stock market. For dividend investors, GE is an attractive option because of its high dividend yield and history of dividend growth. The company has increased its dividend for 30 consecutive years, making it one of the best dividend stocks in the market. If you are looking for a long-term dividend stock to add to your portfolio, GE is worth considering. Number 6. IBM. IBM is a dividend stock that has been paying dividend for over 100 years. The dividend yield is currently around 3.5%. IBM is a blue chip stock and is part of the Dow Jones Industrial Average. The company has a long history of stable earnings and dividend growth. IBM is a large company with a market capitalization over $100 billion. The stock is widely held by institutional investors. The stock trades on the New York Stock Exchange. IBM is a dividend aristocrat, meaning it has increased its dividend for at least 25 consecutive years. The dividend payout ratio is currently around 50%. IBM has been repurchasing shares and recently announced a new $4 billion share repurchase program. The company has annual revenue of over $80 billion. IBM is a diversified technology company with business in cloud computing, artificial intelligence, and data analytics. Number 7. Microsoft. Microsoft is a publicly traded company with a long history of dividend payments. The dividend yield on Microsoft stock is currently around 1.6%, which is higher than the average dividend yield for stocks in the S&P 500 index. For many investors, dividend stocks are an attractive investment option because they offer the potential for both capital appreciation and dividend income. Microsoft has a strong track record of dividend growth, and the company has increased its dividend payout every year for the past 17 years. In addition, Microsoft has a history of share repurchases, which can help to drive up the stock price. Given its strong fundamentals, Microsoft is an attractive option for dividend-seeking investors. Dividend stocks are a great way to invest in the stock market. They provide a steady stream of income, which can help you to reach your financial goals. However, it is important to research dividend stocks before you invest. You need to consider the dividend yield, the company's financial stability, and the company's dividend history. By doing your homework, you can find the best dividend stocks to buy for your portfolio.